Headed out for my final day, day 66 here. Should be a pretty cool day. We're heading out with Caleb again and... Sorry, I dropped you. Today should be another cool day. Headed out with Caleb and the Swedes, if you know who they are. Look at that setup. How do you get them off of there? Oh man, it's gonna be a good day today. Look at it out here. Got a sick cruise today. Should be fun. Got the snow flat mod here on the rental sled. Gonna send it. Scoop shovels for everyone. So today should be pretty epic. We're riding with some of the best riders in the industry. We got Caleb and we got Andreas. So we're heading up the same zone as yesterday. Today we got a great group of guys today. They all friggin' rip. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I feel pretty lucky really to be able to ride with the guys I'm riding with today. To be surrounded by some of the top riders that I look up to is pretty cool. What's that? It's actually not that bad. Well, you wouldn't want to go down. Your sled wouldn't fare too well. What a day. Oh my god.
You need to smoke more cigarettes.
See ya. We've got all the spectators. Mountain mods with Caleb here.
Oh, you can't put that on the internet. Wow, this thing's sick.
So when you rip your ski, you just put some tie wire around the bolt through the ski. Holds it like new. Good for the rest of your trip.
Oh yeah.
Getting the angles. Just keeps trying and trying. Doesn't quit. So awesome. Oh, what's going on there, Caleb? All taking the new cover out of the box. The old one's seen its day. I guess that means it's getting covered for the way home. Alright guys, well, I guess this is it. My last video. I've tried to do this outro like at least 5 times now and I just keep screwing up. It's getting late and I'm tired, so yeah. Anyway, it's been a truly unreal trip. I've met so many great people and rode with tons of people this year. It's been a slice. You know, to top off the trip today and the last couple of days, I've rode with some awesome riders that, you know, I've always seen and kind of want to try with, and I had the opportunity to, so that's super cool. And we'll see what next year brings. Maybe I'll keep putting out some content because I do have a shit ton of video. I could do some review videos if you guys are interested. And I don't know about a sledding video in Ontario since I don't think there's any snow left there, but you know, never know what might happen. Anyway, thanks for watching over the last 60 days or so. I guess that's about how many videos I've done. That's a lot of videos. Sled, edit, eat, sleep, repeat. is pretty much what my life has been for the last 66 days. And it's been awesome. I've loved every minute of it. As always, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one, whenever that may be.